Alright, well here's my review of the Lego City Jungle Cargo Helicopter. It's set number 6U158, and here's the box. Here's the box. Give you a quick look at that real quick. Back. Just throw this back. Alright, now we'll review the set, the most important part. First off, we'll do the minifigures, as we do in every single review. Here's the first male minifigure. He's kind of a normal city face. I think that came in 4 or 5 years ago, that face. Here's the printed torso with kind of like jungle gear. It looks like that, maybe like a walkie-talkie, a microphone or something. It's the back. Dark blue legs. Here's this female pilot. And cheap, because that's a crook face, and the city says last year. Actually this year, no, 2017 police. Also, that was a police person too. There's her torso. Here's the quad. Kind of basic. Here's the thing that the helicopter is supposed to pick up the quad on. Here's a knife. Oh, I'm gonna sorry about that. I should make a fail section video. There's a quad, kind of basic, very basic. Here's this crate. I guess you can put something in there. Here's this, which I actually really do like, with the new spider. It's red. This little plant right here, like maybe like a, I don't know what kind of tree that is. Just probably some basic leaves. And this, I guess a guy is using this knife to cut through this, and there's like a trophy or something in there. I don't know. Gold cup. Here it is. I also really like the idea of having all the tan slopes right here. And also you get a dark tan plate right here. And I always go to the helicopter. I don't know what kind of yellow it is. I'll have to check on Bricklink, because to be honest, I've never seen that kind of yellow before in Lego. I think I have only a few pieces in this cover, and all the jungle is like this now. Which I really do enjoy. A brand new color that I haven't seen. I think it might be like medium yellow, medium orange. I'm not sure. But let's review it. It's a very cool helicopter. I really like it. You know, it's really small. Here's the cockpit. It's very small. Only holds one minifigure. Has the lever piece right here. The propeller, which kind of breaks kind of easy. That's my only complaint. If you like touch it right there, it's gonna break. But other than that, this is a really cool helicopter. Here's the back, which I actually like them using some pretty interesting wheels. I guess it's running like a real helicopter. There's the back propeller. Kind of basic, but it's an interesting design. Zoom out real quick. There's a sticker. That's a brand new piece right there. Here's the winch, chain. It's kind of hard to tie that. It wasn't really working that well. I don't want to put it on too far because I don't want it to break. We're going to see some other things. Oh, pulling it the wrong way. Okay, well that's how the winch works. It's supposed to pull this thing up. But, hold on one second. You might see some, like the wall comes zooming out really far. Some other wager in the background. I hate doing this stuff. Fail again. Well, this is it for this review. It's a really cool set. I think it's only $19.99, so I would definitely get it if you can't get all the rest of the jungle sets. I get this because this is your best cheap set you'll find for jungle so far. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and yep, I'll be back later.